Many patients who have already have dentures kind of experience some of the issues with dentures, that they can often pop out, or they lose their suction, or they kind of rock around on your jaw a little bit, and they're just not very comfortable because there's so much plastic in your mouth. And a lot of patients just are looking for something better out there. At our office, we actually provide a lot of implant-based solutions to replace those missing teeth or help stabilize those dentures in a way that they no longer require that suction, or they no longer will bounce around on your mouth that much, and they allow you to eat the food that you haven't been able to eat with your traditional dentures and bring you back a lot of comfort in your mouth and a lot of happiness. So for those patients suffering from a denture that doesn't fit well, or that has suction problems, or might be rocking around in their mouth, we offer many dental implant solutions that really help provide stability for them. And one of the most common ways that patients have a very high satisfaction with is placing anywhere between 2 and 4 implants in, and then making an appliance similar to your denture called a removable bridge that'll snap right into those dentures, and it no longer rocks, it no longer needs suction, but the implants will hold it sturdy in place right to your body in a way that allows you to really have proper function while eating. With this implant option that we're talking about, the patient is actually able to remove these and put them away at night, and they function a lot like a denture, but they're very stable because they're able to snap right into the implant. The other option is that we can provide you with a full set of teeth that screw directly into your dental implants, and these the patient never removes, they never take out. However, they do come in for a routine maintenance that we are able to unscrew those as a dentist and hygienist and really clean underneath them and make sure that they stay healthy, the implants stay healthy, and that you keep those teeth for your life. With dental implants, we're able to provide dentures or full arch solutions that patients don't have to worry about their teeth falling out, they don't have to worry about the types of food that they're eating, and with that, patients can really enjoy a life similar to what they had before when they had teeth.